Hey guys, it's Sue. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today I'm going to be making my favorite tuna pasta salad. We enjoyed this all summer, well into fall. Being gluten sensitive, I like to choose a really good gluten-free pasta. I love Barilla's Rotini spiral pasta. It cooks up nice and firm, has a really good chew, perfect for this pasta salad. Don't miss out on this classic favorite. I think you're really going to love it. It's simple, it's good. You're going to want to make it. Check it out.